Madagascar is a giant island nation off the coast of Africa, with landscapes found nowhere else on Earth. The Central Highlands are dramatic, shaping rivers and valleys that sustain life. Rainforests here host species found only in Madagascar, like the famous lemurs. Baobab trees define the western landscapes, creating a surreal and iconic view. The coasts are fringed by coral reefs, teeming with marine life and vibrant ecosystems. The flag symbolizes unity across the island's diverse and isolated landscapes. Villages thrive along rivers, blending tradition with nature across Madagascar. Madagascar, an island of wonders, biodiversity, and unique landscapes.